Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we'll be working on installing these side steps on a 2015 F250. Little pre-assembly will be required. We got all the parts right down here, the brackets and then hardware. I'm gonna give you all a quick look of the side steps. They're not very fancy, but they'll serve the purpose. This one's flipped over so y'all can see what it looks like on the back side. These are adjustable, of course. You can always take the caps off as well. And we'll get to it shortly. I'm just gonna show y'all real quick how the bracket is supposed to be mounted on the back side. This is the middle portion right over here. That's gonna be like the front portion right there. Now the way you want your bolt to look, you got for installation just like this. We're gonna finish off with the third one, and then we're gonna install the side step. So this is the way they're gonna be sitting. I have not tightened them up just yet. We'll be installing the side step first, and then we'll be tightening them all up. Just wanted to give y'all a quick peek on what it looks like from the bottom up.